Ministry Academy with Major Prophet Angel and MAJOR1 Prophet Bushiri from the 11th to the 13th of June 2020 to help all of you who are called by God to learn the basics of ministry, introduction to prophecy, operating in the gifts of the Spirit, operating a successful online ministry, and most importantly, how to rebuild after these perilous times are over and more. Register now at www.ministryacademy.org for the online sessions on the 11th, 12th, and 13th of June, 7 p.m. BST nightly. This is going to be power-packed, the first of its kind.